Science Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746 211 764 au
ndega rero una chairman gosomo nyakerobo bwe kiombekia Manchester United fans Kenya Gusi branch yebu atorosakire wagusi rwa Kisii na Nyamira so nondega gwakirishe kiombekyo na sabiria semyaka ya 3 une chairman ya Gusi branch.
Asante sana bwana German kurunga Lutik Marube munyakerogo bwe kiobeke gaso rosagirwa wagusi imwambia bono amange tuchukue manya kirago chikotoera guchime tena sumungono ndegaiga brown man akioko kwa data
mbe bono murari asamerita koro kwa Andy Kundi ngo salvo na organizing secretary of Manchester United fans branch to ikera irero ko eranga ntumbara wingi togokora and nara ito plan to correct in the future.
Baadaye Andy Kundi abantu bange bakomanyete buna Andy Kundi lakini baro bakomanyete na nyakudio koro gose Kundi
asomerita koro Edwin Anderson Kundi.
Yes.
Aina ramarita bane
egoro baite bodi yana mukwana ga onyoru mungina nali gali yo kenyeru bahiti ulitali Anderson Nyakundi lakini nanga yaruzi lieteli Andy Kundi batrende ne lietakulia asino maite town yenko yuno nchengo kwa nanu mwana bweliro ba irende nchenjo vile Onsarigo ragiro mwana bweliro ba yama lieta yo kulia na nche.
Yeah, sure.
Welcome asante sana bwana secretary umusikie Andy Kundi as a studio karibu sana tirene as oyo minto Lutik Marube omonya kiro gato manyinga Manchester United fans Kenya Gusi branch ekenkieke by the way
ekene kiombe mono kia patio kare mokoroka
ekiombe
abatio
usaba kuatani
babwatani bomupira ekiombe ke mono eke go support timu enene ya Uingereza ku Manchester United.
Yes.
Ebiombe mbere binge bya Arsenal mbere bya Chelsea ne timu chinde makabantu batekenege kugia Shabana but woneke ne kia Manchester mono bali essence orosagirwa Gusi na Kenya na Kenya buna boni gatobwata 22 registered counties tocha kere Mombasa oche Nairobi Meru tobwata Nakuru tobwata Turkana tukatwara mpaka chabo Western Trans Nzoia chionse chaje tamo chire registered so bisene ne regari Nairobi to gachamo asibali twanji to mupira kada to mupira da mupira ko twanjite kiombeke mono kokora tore ebintawa wa society unabono ntobwate ndeko ku blood donation kuruskwa manyinga kokonya barire bari batabatari kwemanya karabanya each accident ko sebarwarete batari konyara kugura manyinga na mbayibere ngo support to vulnerable people in the society bari batari kwenyara munabono abachite school January there is a branch to abigetamoiga bakakonya omwana akagenda school unabono April ko kana tore Bungoma tochange ebitabu ne uniform tuire Bungoma tukakare national SQ school ya Bungoma Chons chire Western region abana bari babere identified bare vulnerable na baende agatato gokora tore charities tokogenda special schools una last year October tu alenge na nyuki utokwira shopping ya maana sana school etari kwenya ibata bana batari kwenyara mwana una tokwira una chindagera ntwarenge roadwa tuirite chindagera chinyinge mpaka abantu barodo baguna kikombe Kenya ndagera nero so we do support a society as okoganikore ya tali mupira katwanjete
Lutik Marube n'umunyakirego oyereire alibago korana ande nkiyekogera ekyombe keiga gikurugunga Manchester United fans Kenya Gusii branch nkereke keiga ngira naso omuriki Getembe keiga andake ketuko ne ekembeke boniga membership ba imbali ngabale na ande ngayige goika gusiga ngaki ayinumuriki.
Thank you. Oto kwenere oto wate 100 members were registered as a branch of Gusii. And we still need more members.
Yes.
And we're expecting Havande to join as a rero and which moto. Very lazima oto awe around Gusii manyakoba a member. We have members even from abroad. We have members from who are in Nairobi because abakoro they resonate in even talk in Gusii kwenye everybody their members. Mentere into chateva we to talk in everything. Ono mwaka in our calendar of events to whatever medical camp to plan it to occur in the month of August.
Oh yes.
And I think our medical camp really needs a lot of planning and a lot of support. Talking that kwenye plan maybe chino kechiweka will come and maybe share kitu tuabangire and maybe the overcoin turatake so that we abantu nabango matoka ne romotari kwenye totally nga kwenda na gitari because of ukobwaterana abo kwenye ranga to kwenye rumuriro one way or the other. Again to kende ukoboringa ogoikanga itogoika into watching boundaries as long as it's charity. Never we have I remember chair last year into a collective story name CTV,
Kurumarani family tawa chinyomba.
We marshaled some funds kidogo tukaminyuka gari tukavakora shopping friend akaronere akange kwa nyumba. So it is intoriko tuaranga to what the boundaries as long as it's a needy story in the society and we can able to marshal some few funds not in the front line or yeah.
All right, andake ekero tukukonera igoro ya Manchester United fans Gusii branch ekyombeke iga indigia chage tugibwa na chairman
ekyombeke iga asoro sagero Gusii tuabere ono mwaka ukane tuachagete 2023 kego chaka actually tuakorete charity ya 2022 December ali kiombu wasakoro kwa Eremo Children's Home.
Yes.
No watu waomera nita bakanga 20 ga tokora onoyo mintokoro ku Douglas Ombaba wani gore Nairobi na rote aga mobilize abantu babiri batatu iga tokaomera no we took a charity there tokakora donation from there ali tuachagete kego ika around January February tokabwati ompangiro tukanya tokoba registered na national team ejuere abisiri Nairobi ekora onoyo mintroja Squarel na Kevin Gichana na Jesse kutoka Bungoma au ndio leaders wetu wa national. So tukaregister ororo kwa tu register wano tokanyara tokoegwa priority tukakore charity ya moto ni Kisii special school twagwata abantu over 1,000 barwete Kenya ngimatoa tukakore donation niga nyanchwa. So as we are talking isigusiaro eno mwako ogatato okane but nationally ikiachagata around 2007 yeah kiarani for those years kiagurere ko Nairobi branch na Eldoret chiarenge bere chioka and now we are around 22 counties and yet nchirichire kianda chire pending chiko renovating igo tari raisi kwa soa ko moka renovating kiagara chibroka njira samangana ya charity anya bantu bachira mokobeke group ba kora bachibese donation chacha bali so go cha kwa soa iko kwa renovating namba endo oyo mintata teba being a member tali ati oseto what some of us Moses kora bantu bakora charity mwana babwati gasi nene they have kiria ke bakonyora ka 200 ka 100 bago chama bantemia ka weru 100 oseri 200 oseri 500 chiaga na chiakonya abantu ketasekete so igo tuara temira se miaka yene etu achageta abantu more than 300 but due to discipline cases and other issues twakorire ng'ora mpaka twikire bono tora around 102. I think as we are talking we are 102.
Yes.
Ya bantu bale ba vehicle kando bale parking essentially in discipline cases.
Yeah, true.
And the other ibintu bindi bitari bya society because nkole ndatori lietelito as society doko beka bantu banda bonse iko twaratemere ase kusine myakene.
Alright, so mwanchi mwaligeli no mwanchi mwategeli ya senti sada yo mwenye na bokumyo kagali su mtandao Getembe TV ya Facebook na bugutunyora as YouTube aboigo beka comment ya gase comment section go na nitu ya masemo aiga sumuro bulina bila shaka na botukunyora ujumbe yago ketu sanganere andi kundi ya masemo na boigo Luteka Marube ubakuru seke bekeliki ya Manchester United fans na mwankurwa asurusagi ruwa akisi gusegusi bono mambia lakini bono ketu kwanira gusege kunde kigeke bekiga ababwata nimbarabia ba you see does it mean that's a member who are the members?
Thank you. A member we call miaka 18. So the more responsibilities at your man tareke miaka 18 atanya gukora.
Yes.
Two we over you support Manchester United.
Yeah.
And we call ready to support maybe because the ringa no mupira woka toko watch usego kuwati world song no tote bango kwa tole charities and terikero moto wako ni romonto ni faniare lakini kago tagunga bono we are having this needy case and then to you are 20 shillings mtoto eba no tindi ready so it is you get imperative when you go to the member we call 18 years and above and over ready for
contribute and support
exactly and then we call ready for what machiko
yes
because we have had some discipline cases again one we have mechanisms in place one we can work to an discipline case we can handle in a very official way,
yes,
and in a very professional way. That we will know according to how much you should have not done this. Then we know much whatever case can handled, and we welcome members. Karonyo go try to go join. You go reach to any leader. Then a leader or kuabuna machikonga kia.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. Karuwa watire machika you work on your registration fee. Karuwa kana registration fee, and then from there, kama kwa guided na wako vetted because we katomanya
ayeningo. Yeah, true.
Na yokoru because we also even have a welfare in our as a group ito. Asemi chungo takatoto manyanga aye Geoffrey ayeningo.
Yes, true.
Techa kabanga maybe into kiavere ntumanye tinga yokoru.
I say no kiokora. Yeah.
Exactly. One is very organized.
Yeah.
And a very structured group. As a targeting to waterane, we make a society a better place. Yeah.
Now, Turase almost secretary, and I think this is very important for you to listen how to join as a member.
Thank you. You reach you reach to a
leader.
Leader. Now what exactly now? This is what you're supposed to do.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Then you'll be a member. Registration.
Yeah, true.
Registration. We confirm then from there, what kind of vetting?
Yeah.
Because we need to know.
Yeah.
After a lot of time and funds now added the group, then introduced to the other members, and from there you're free. We talk watch together. Charities then tomorrow we are supposed to go to a blood donation. Wacha donate. So you donate, you come for moral support. And then after that, now on you talk in the national charity events, you're free to go together. So plus another, we have even we have a welfare. Now pia na bogoso kero kero muntu rata kero so welfare. Nero get very structured.
Yes.
Only to remember. Only to matanga na togocha. Kene kia very say no togocha na friends.
Yes.
But take care of one who was very welfare. Sababu fund based na welfare chire.
It is a different.
Yeah, exactly. One kero or a member of welfare will come on the welfare and then we assist as per our
Constitution.
Karumu Bwatan was a member ye Getembe, you come as friends.
Yeah, I can member ye welfare. When I go to what the welfare, you're very independent. Yeah.
For 1583878 0726447367 edition mpa urato ikiregiga ase studio ekyumbekira ase studio bakuruga Manchester United fans guze branch auba erule kiguma kokoremere memia uigwetenga bakwera mangana mange chalu wa kibintim ngabakora yonsi unabati kirikotema bwana Marube umunyekirugo. Why today in the studio at Getembe TV?
Yes.
Baraba bulinga bono nki Onsarigo na kibono kwaleta bangwana abwa wingi baje kuli
na bara kumi kyagara ni timu enene no che tubegate Jesse ye timu enene
nije na misira kini nga kibono mwatoka
no nambe yemo etwatoka una Manchester United gusi branch na Mwegu namba inde akabere twakorire una Mwegu kurumaiga twakorire binte binge gocha one twenyoraga iga asegete seni geto kya Getembe ikitwate birembo ya mono sogo twarigani ntobwate ngokora tolika ntobwate events tokora so mwaka chinyingi una wanto chakre blood donation epiringo enda tole Bungoma togo tokore akusi branch to select no mbogranga alise ino tokore event yororo ya charity October togenda na kuru tochituma ko tokora nande medical camp. So for the right wachaga personally, because we have a very serious blood donation in kesho. So kesho tuko na blood donation iyo kurusia Manyinga. Amanyinga is one way ya charity because Amanyinga atobuate igara mangi koena na Manyinga. Medically Manyinga atakereka wa donated for men every 3 months utakereka kurusia Manyinga. That's for health purpose because Manyinga ya cells chikogoro daily. Kalo chikogoro utakereka kurusia chinko tu watikali chini chanya alibaga yoko grow. So medically we are advised for men we get 3 months to arusia Manyinga. For women it's 4 months. Every 4 months namukurusia Manyinga yanda manyacha. So as a way of charity mambi ntobuate ego tsangirio konene kwa Manyinga countrywide. Valentine wenye wako na mapenzi wataenda kwa mapenzi, but si mapenzi yetu tunapeana damu kwa wenye wajiwezi, kwa wenye wajijui haswa ngakieli chi accident.
Actually there is a very special Valentine.
Yeah,
yoko eda na
Amanyinga.
Igogero nyakundio ndezali nyakundio le studio agabwato mwanchi akutalia moelihuga. Ifake Manchester nero nkuruwere Amanyinga gokonyo oli otamwa.
Omwanchi oli tutamanyiti.
Yes.
Anena mono no mayete kalo chi accident chabere gosaba lore mbara konyora batabwati okonyara gukogora Amanyinga. Wana to akwana blood bank because we are in partner nationally, we are in partnership with the National Blood Bank etc. in Nairobi. Into to jatwara Amanyinga free. But one make to ya ruling kimokobona ki na kintu tokora Amanyinga na kintu tokokonyeka. I can assure you once my member tota wana una enta kero tokora also ikiombe itu because you are a Manchester fan.
Yeah.
Once una watchire kwa wele member you are participating into what the record. Onye tuli ko Amanyinga kwa reto 200 chebisuguti.
Yes.
Gosengwa jito kwa moral support you are active.
Yes.
Kwa ngana kresimi na ki chairman mbo yole mama gosema murominto na ata ita Amanyinga. Na kingokora. Personally have a right ingere ko national chair through the partnership ya National Blood Transfusion Headquarters ngwa kesi mi blood bank. Na ata my member Onsarigo na teta manyinga igare KTRH room cube 3 room 4 cube 3 amalieta na arayo morere oyo morere no Onsarigo namba yesi mingeyo. You will get that blood on a priority basis. Nebo morere naro otali oenge sko so engabu otaita manyinga ayo eba akora oyo Manchester simere resechama. So we have priority basis yo member ya Manchester oyora soro sagirwa gusi konyora manyinga on a priority. Again tekengo bakare ko ngusana tengo Onsarigo. Unless ga konyore.
Yes.
Ekarori nyagitari yo kania manyinga. Na you understand.
Woni nabura yuna ni story.
Ogochi wikasa mu nyagitari ate manyinga tayo. Gose kanya. Oyi kabarade bang wate manyinga tayo akakarera. Ogose nini gose kala rwebese. Sibya nguru guchire.
It is true.
Na ndenge ndekito toge siri asechi nyagitari chi manyinga tataka irikono.
Yes.
From the information we have from the National Executive Committee, manyinga tataka irikono. Amanyinga akure gu free but notaka kwa kani processing fee itari gweta ni 1500. So the reports we have from National manyinga atataka irikono ngo gotinya kitari onda kwa ni gwere buine chiri busana mpaka 10,000 private.
Naturally muntu yo koneli uno mutaka sana ali magutabu ati
chitene piki osaka boli kunego rubaro oyikira atakira nyora manyinga mwama kumulina manyinga because mo techipa yasokwa abantu baminto manyinga atataka irikono. That's why tolega tokoteba install sia manyinga nekera manyinga kwate unkone ligore akige kuro reach out the responsible people so that you nyara kokonyo igo anene mono totete kola ko bate aba digereli baito baturigereti we as Kisii branch wose kama kuna mwingine ambaye ako nje ya Kisii could every county also I can list them.
Yes.
Tuwate Bungoma.
Yes.
Eyu go chakamambi ntuwate Trans Nzoia ya Chageton Monday.
Alright.
Ntuwate Eldoret mambi bwate ntuwate Nakuru ntuwate Kisumu ntuwate our brothers in Migori. We have Turukana, we have Meru, we have Nanyuki, we have Mombasa, we have Nairobi, we have a new branch Kurukunandi, Darakaniti we have it. So kama uko popote kwa hizo zenye nimemention, kesho fika pale blood transfusion center tutoe damu. Hii damu ndio maana tuko hapa tunasema watu wetu wakuje watoe damu kwa wingi, yani abaligerero baito mambi ninchu torusia manyinga
nganeti kore sega gwo munyakirugo chairman bona chairman nganchire bona Rutik Marube kubeka tomorrow.
Yes.
In Onsarigo Geoffrey and my viewer will say listen out tegera tegai ngayago champaka ache kukora blood donation
esimambi ntobwata chipointi sato ibere echire manage na blood transfusion officers. But asomo omoligereria olio toligereretie ama uende ikao uko Kisii umetune in kwa Getembe TV na wewe maybe utaelewa lugha nyingine. Kesho tuko na blood transfusion uko Kisii blood transfusion center satellite in next in Naivas supermarket all adjacent to Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. So kesho tuko huko pale unatembea hivi by saa 3 tushaanza hiyo process itakimbia mpaka saa 10. Watu wote si lazima ukae wa Manchester, uende ikao una support hizi timu zingine za timu ndogo kama hizo zingine utakuja. Unajua timu ndogo
agumeta se ndogo abantu bale bakolera bono ka ngo ata abantu bandika abatuliyete bale maobisi ya
timu ndogo
ngoko kosoko konyera umuntu ubeti umanyanga
timu ndogo wanazijua wametushikilia tu so kama wande kao moradia story support timu ye ni ncho amanyinga iga red and my team we got red in Manchester iga manyinga iga red and manyinga atabuati team ni ncho rusia manyinga na bone team ichinke kwa sababu mo theater chabana wasine tabatero support team endurance na abano ndabwansi olegadi society just come tutoe damu tusaidie wenye awajijui ama wenye awajiwezi. By coming we'll be saving a life of somebody.
Thank you very much. Yes bona secretary korende kero molikia kunya gotwerera amangana makeiga ngade chikugure namba yene simibiri satu chuka tikolinge ibere gose mu ibere gala badai boli so commenta congratulations message ujase au munyakirugo nabwo moliki ba Manchester United fans guse branch baikirega watu amangana mayanege kundi kibwate amaroro amange ko igure ara yenge nchandake wonchora by'ibintu byokorekana na gokonya y'umurigiri eyamasa. Yes bana Andy.
Thank you. Nore to kwa nere to biberega. Mucha na teverenga mabito wate blood donation drive. Wanu muntu na boringa ngoyero go donate manyinga. We go to 50 kg and above.
Yeah, true.
And we ove korenga nore healthy. Toko banga korora sama tukota yose chibikiwe.
Na ndo chiko ruswa mayinga.
Amariogo ando chako kuruswa mayinga. And we utarange kurusibu ika ora bimore ose obata manyinga isai. Because agokonya kurusi wa itogo tiesa ine.
Otherwise ngambi yole.
Ya goko gireka.
And onye ko what maybe no what asthma, no what diabetes, no what hypertension, no wonder we don't na cancer, we don't advise no chokorusu. But through your 200 shillings also for moral support, you will have no konyaranga wa support in one way or the other.
Iko bana Andy, what you saying as a medic na ndo manyeta mangana iga inchi mbwato moyo guogo donate. Lakini unfortunately andake ni mbwato using cancer, ni mbwato usena ameire na chronic disease ya vira sobu mbuane, lakini na bongwa chirungi che donate something.
Yeah.
Apart from blood.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Lakini mbiyone kumete status yago. Mosombali bali bamete uno boliro bondo boito bwinyamalyo. Because those bags echikokuru. Chire specific, very expensive.
Yes.
Ane kumete unyora malyo gandons. Goseko wate ovole merua and diseases ziko chronic tafadhali usikuje. Ama unaweza kuja utupe moral support. Ani tafadhali usitoe damu but ukuje.
Hapo ni sawa.
Utoe moral support, upeane donation, ukuje hapo to cheer up, tunaweza tembea hapo.
Because you see bwana chairman, the reason is why na tiotelia ngane unakonya bikiribu ya there is some fun. Ubwato moyo. Na nje kene pina bonga tiko swa ikyo bakelikia gusi branch.
Karibu sana.
Lakini unfortunately ndugu isambo muntu yunabwato muchanda. Ni manyete. But limited tacha. Agocha, agoke na inu. Ashereke asoe muguko ega kunyara gu support, that's okay.
Kyombe geto ntobwate mbaka ibirema.
Yes.
Ntobwate myuko, ntobwate abaroire. Bali bako gani mbaka tuabakorera support. Banda konyora malioga bose kende. So ndibwo nsinari kaniro so ikyombeki.
Chisa chitu chiko kana 0741583878 simiro igaisa tuchoka kwa namba iga abara ya bagabe kyombeki gusi branch ke Manchester United fans Kenya. Mambia bon. Good morning. Etwani.
Getembe Television.
No way kiro mami, how are you? Good morning.
Mwana wa Geoffrey Onsarigo singing Kyambulire no moreto.
Yes, Omoricho kurujabia talk good bwakenya.
Namba yawe barungora.
Yes.
Tenda basabira ndemba changamoto nene na virekera nemara Yesu Kristo abangoso no moyo.
Omoricho ne fan ya Manchester sana. Santana eda be imorwe. Na ide. Wai donyo leke no piro wa Omoricho jako iriria to rago. Good morning. Eto de Getembe sanga no ichemo mambia bata data boka nkuburiga asinchi chingakika no tusanga mange lakini ntoko nyare. Good morning. Getembe. Bona tena. Etwan.
Alongo tena.
Yes mami, karibu.
Onsarigo kwa kile studio.
Ukiyetebeke madhambi yole.
Mbiyande mangana ngani yakalekea kwana.
Aye magina bo machoge bora bombu yiri ngene.
Mbiyere nalo kuboli ro Onsarigo.
Yes.
Wana tirambo ya wale studio ngati.
Yes.
Ekarabanyo lengamanyinga ngoni wale wotia somondo. Ngetambo kero kibako imo kibuna barai eri akadere. Na kyo akora so mabwa sengenje na igura bote.
Ina bankuru bali boni kiro okora mami just listen to by sego sukabeke siro tebwagwago baadaye utakuwa unaenjoy bana. Asante.
Sawa sawa.
Last call na hata baisata choka sinjiji ngaki because tubate program ndeko soka sembeo esimyo mwali kubuligani ndicha bantu banga ndusanga naitwa bange sana bali no moyo sana bwana Andy na Marube kumaanisha kwamba magana mwale tama ya sana. Getembe, good morning, hello Etwan.
Aitombe Onsarigo.
Nero yedadi how are you?
Na kima tajire watu kile mkoro.
Karibu sana Getamtam.
Habari ya matuka mande na ongoza namba kenyamo studio.
Mbia mono sana karibu ngo.
Ezo ulikia chiko mnyoka noto na mwana manani nyolite.
Mbia mono sana. Asante sana brother, thank you, God bless you so much. Wange sana mchikalizi mitandaki na Alex Mauti kurwa Maro Kisii County anasema mambo sodakta kabisa. Celestine Frayangu agoteba kuruchi somo chiria anasema ale robo igago kirete unamwacha gasi studio Manchester fans na andako kira radio day walo radio day bia sana David William kurwa Jogo Kisii County akundani Meiko Umanga kurwa Iramba Isoge Skim asema ni mongi mnara kuruchi somo chirichia Nandi County anasema pia watching live Baba Sami timu ndogo kurwa chisema chirichia anasema timu ndogo ni Arsenal. Lakini huyu anachokoza wa Arsenal huyu bana. Simon Mwangi Umnara, good job Gusi branch and thanks Getembe TV for supporting team Gusi. Pia uyata anasema kutoka Nandi pia tuko chonjo sana. Na bali gireta na watch from Nandi. Asante sana. So many SMS, so many comments echinta so many kola kono mambia because to take country wide we watched na abantu bali gete barabange. Bono ngira nasemule amasuna babu abiriga murwe namba yesimi turumega murubulio ndio sasende.
Mbia mona.
Yes.
Mtara kora entongia te kukona then toira kare ma sorry babori kada te commentera nyegitari to was blood bank ya usi regari angena Kisii teaching for hospital ige what a very big catchment area because ige the largest referral hospital to what in South Nyanza. You can get a demand getting 14,000 units per year. Last year, they only managed to collect 9,500 units, meaning a very big shortage. A few weeks ago, Momo Naru said because after that, Nekia Gretuka Gendo, Tokona Varabu. Made understanding exactly kikocha kiao tukanyo they have a lot of challenges bona bono na bokonyo rambata guitar ko kwenda kurusia manyinga but mbawati refreshment kwanyora amanyinga barusi because the blood bank ya kusite what capacity yo amanyinga ko screen kwanyora ngabano ko batume Nairobi Kisumu osande because for screening purposes sasa ndio kuruhusu manyinga mutabekero direct wana naro kwanyora sometimes kwanyora those centers they break down what there are a lot of challenges maybe we are trying to as a community or society kitora kore to solve those problems bono asa bari bago join nabo tubona utoko na ni number.
Yes. Mutana ni namba libuliriri tukole kurugaiga kole kuiraniri engene ya kali kuigule nga bakaba banyiru muntu kusinkonderwa manyinga the chip in unabarai mbugate actions bago take igo kumwairani linye tiki
bara taraka beka bya
kebeke bana
ase oyo amanyinga yanalekana nkone likuole that is the point. We as Manchester na kitu atire front line number 1 tora solution yokura manyinga gato anye solution to manyinga yes na kia manyinga itako accounted for ndobwate etabyo konya manyinga chinya kitali chetu monso ina kitali itenene ne chinya kitali chinge surrounded. So for you to be in a safer side na robone kia utaka go join akarukwa bere member ito we give our members priority ta kone ru manyinga e coordinator ko mo direct we komanya free no 1500 register ko akwa free with no charges but bono aye utali kyombige ito kwanya go kone ru manyinga nikito kokora. Now after this structure na be national we are going to storm chinya kitali chonspi to manyinga konya manyinga. Nowadays, you know, we are digital. Something can run in a social media and don't have accounted for. So, in Tuna Abara Ibagusi, we are working closely in the national team to make Konya Manning so that they can see higher rockane. Anya ese kaimena ki amanyinga atatake konego ayanayo kon esa woni yokoni amanyinga kuregu for free. So our viewers and our members by the society skogali kagali and I was only konya konego amanyinga more than 1500 na they were not desperate in that time. Tafadhali nyole nguru yoko report nguru tole number and plus na boko report the nearest office is serikali no ena se na wakwanda service director health BCSCO wenya kitari they don't advocate for selling, but even though because walichi ward in charge was from balaba kabare sti blood bank coldos no biko kole ratinta ngokonye osenge jo desperate only muntu minongo siragochi kwanya kwa rurebe iko mo basa kobwa we giving out the number, then you can visit an office and report that in the few years amatukare uchi bosumaka iga is a problem which okay and we go sirere and we promise that. Yes,
that's wonderful. Anyway, keronga netito kole now who are your partners igabuso?
Partners as for now. For now, I think nitaguza uguze kidogo. For now, partners, the main partner is our blood bank, set right? Kisii hiyo. We are wishing for now, as for now, we get a challenge from national government. The national serikali itumuro chavunere. And it say the truth, and the truth will set us free. Serikali itebinge bikuwa mete. Fans, una moyo gari no ende bintu chiburada chibako mataiga. They are not there. Sisi ndanjire bakopeka. They are not there. Is aware we should talk about blood bank that Bakarus procurement docket from the blood bank center. Ekairu was national. They are depending from national. So even today we give it to you. So we are appealing to those people, our business people in town. Waliba partnering maybe last year. Waliba kunirunega ntunekega. We have individuals. We are going to give a number and even a till. But a number will work easier. A till na weko ile process. Kulitole number. Onye kwa shilingi 10. Onye kwa shilingi 50, onye kwa shilingi 100, 10,000 chisoda because blood donation money soda ne megati. Nebinde we going to sort it out. So we are appealing to the society bari ba kuniru baru amanyi ngaya nyasaye gagoseni differently.
Yes.
It without ever you receive blessings ekaroko okorwa kuwekero konyora.
Yes.
So let's give nyasaye to seseni our main partners boniga is Kisii Blood Bank. There is a commission. There is one of our partners in Nairobi called Quick Reef. And NATO sponsored Bichanga is an auditor. Na abanda abange bachire meito to sponsor. So far una watu babere. But mostly our members are our main partners and stakeholders. Bakweru sana bachanga toko kole igana nde bachange kenda. So yeah, maybe you can chip in kama nimesahau kitu.
And we are targeting 500 units.
Oh yes, wow.
So 500 units is telling near Raisi. So we are appealing to our business, all local businesses and the stakeholders wherever to join, so that we can make that dream a success. Any country. Yeah.
Now then we kiragundo chenga chigasin chechire kigma nabonko bali bagamo na nena mpaya ino sempeo so you want to join or you want to kuru support akatukunya gukora na ino buna Manchester United fans with a branch.
Thank you. Namba na utoko ina nagirende esi mwaka mugaso mwaka wako na kerwese waka sasta ya utuko. Yeah, at least umontote mwaka so to text message umontako ina. Yeah, because it is a personal number or nero kutumika muno because ya reach. Number gere 07 06 45 46 42 and then ngirore 07 06 45 46 42.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you Bwana Ande. Chairman.
Yes.
Now you are called to the public gatoko kwa.
Mbuya mono. Kingo ko tiganda ebe mbuya mono ande ngire mbuya mono asinya sai atoira ba moyo. Negita seni kietu kia Getembe mbuya mono. Abarigere baito bagusi norogongo Rwens. Nisungumuze kwa Kiswahili ndiposa ndio lugha ya taifa. Ningependa kuchukua muda huu kushukuru wote na mo especially kituo hiki kwa kutupea nafasi hii. Nishukuru wa our partners Blood Bank Kisii wakora unoyo minto maragia. Tunashukuru sana, tumesimama na nyinyi miaka 3 na tunaendelea mbele, tutasimama na nyinyi kwenda mbele. Ningeomba watazamaji wetu wapendwa ambao wameguzwa na hili jambo na mengine tunayofanya kwa society, mmepewa namba, you can reach out, tusaidie jamii. Kuna watu kwa ukweli nakwambia kuna watu hawana. Hii Kenya tumeenda mpaka Rodwa, kuna watu hawana. Hii Kenya tumeenda mpaka hii umefanya last year tukitoka Rodwa tukafanya hapa Marani. Watu wako na shida. So by you giving, haikuji kwa personal number, it go to the bank. Kuna till unapewa, na ikipewa iko na nimesimamia docket itasaidia. So ningependa kuomba watu wetu wa Kisii Kenya tukuje pamoja tusaidie jamii kile kidogo tuko nacho. Nikimalizia ningependa kushukuru our team leaders ambao wana they are led by our able chair nationally, Rogers Corel, our good secretary Kevin Gichana, and our treasurer Jesse kutoka Bungoma, and they all chairs were all the 21 branches registered in Kenya, and also to our fans Moso Kisii, mafans wetu wa Kisii wote wa Manchester group, tunawashukuru sana kwa kusimama na sisi, na we're looking forward for more of this kind, and indeed I believe Mungu atatubariki na atatusidishia. Ndiposa hiyo ndio kazi tumepewa ulimwengu tufanye, tutende mema tukienda.
Asante sana mwenyekiti byo sana mwenyekiti kwa singichi ya magaraba ya Kigoma ndo shinga chakani kaiga ubona kama usakuruga igalende. Salute Manchester fans bonse pisco galia wete Anderson ngurule ga wote irene kwale ko korega situations now 1 minute korega ebatebing ang kile yonzi.
Thank you. In a special way to cover having asante and we want let's play the small part we can to make this world a better place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Na ile ndo chocherende ngukwali kanyocho kuna toko lo register ga
tinkwale kungari kartua so kire bende kamera.
Yes, tintage tinche ko bekeru nyasache ko ngake keboko ngwa tigere.
Right. I promise lazima answer biya bana sa. Thank you. Waje muri yeri kiraga no toko kolera Engambo ya bene Kigoma tuabere na barabu ga Manchester United ku branch abo wate campaign ne ya blood donation na yebono esokiri kuli ankyo eligere obe oyo mogwa bali bago support either financially or mangana blood on sinate banga will be blessed differently na andi nyesana bago sini nchirama nyetere bweka wikiraga gutoko kora kwa niaba bonus bali tokatana umuligeno mwotegerali. Thank you because you have been a very strong and courageous viewer listener asumurubuliga etu andibono mambia kulendege keke emirubuli nagendera tejende emyansu ikatoba isagosuka tuchale nchikuru kwa Geoffrey Onsarigo.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogoko obokoreri asechinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri asechi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somuchobo songo angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Ine nuganeti konyora chisemi chingi ya chekerero Getembe Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyogenderete nigo bakurwa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson omae igondo mwalimu kabere ase school ya Getembe Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Getembe Technical Vocational College is located as a Neliwad Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteli. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayiboli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tole kubayijoleria kusips ejie kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding kuruase High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora chikosi cyabo asobworora na kotabukia bekwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora skill ejira bakonye isikali. Nwali intake intogenderete karibu.
Intake ya January nigo egenderete ayirira nigo bagotuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba Getembe asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.getembetvc.ac.ke. Getembe Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Discover the new Venus Advanced Care Body Lotion, a revolutionary blend of serums and natural ingredients designed to transform your skin